and utter carelessness. Did God simply ordain what he foresaw? The chapter deals with that as well. In other words, did God actually say, this is how things are going to happen, and therefore they happen that way? Or did the God who knows all things look into the future and say, aha, so that's how things are going to happen, I'd better write that into my plan? He didn't do that. How do we know he didn't do that? Because he made the plan. He made it from all eternity. What would it mean if he looked forward to see how I was going to throw that pen on the floor and thought, oh, yeah, I better put that in the plan, I suppose, because otherwise my plan won't be perfect and it won't cover all things? What would that mean about the plan of God and about God?
Like a historian writing down.
Yeah, he hasn't ordained. He wouldn't have ordained that I dropped the pen on the floor. He wouldn't have purposed that it happened. He would have just witnessed it and thought, as Pam says, like a forward-looking witness, better write that in here, otherwise the plan's not going to be perfect. So we know that didn't happen. Romans 9 talks about how before either of the twins, Jacob and Esau, were born, it was written in order that God's purpose in election might stand. Jacob I loved, Esau I hated. Before either of them was born. So then, he says, Romans 9:16, it does not depend on the